Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully all of you are fine. Now we should start our class and welcome to the remedial English class. Yeah, in the previous class we talked about the subject verb agreement and we discussed the different rules and regulations where to use and how to use subject verb agreement. In today's class I have brought one of the exercise or we can say this is the your test class where I will take the test from you people. So keep your pen and the register with yourself so that you can note each and everything, and you have to write down the answers and solve the exercise and the test in your registers. After that, you have to submit me your that test on the LMS website in the 15th week. And you know that on the LMS website, you can just upload the PDF file. You can note down the answers in your registers and the papers. And after that, you can take the pictures or the photograph of that particular page where you are writing the answer of the questions, and then you can convert that file into PDF and then attach to that particular file on the LMS website where I will check your answers and see your answers there as well. So you have to keep the pen and the register with yourself. Today we are going to solve the test that is related to the subject verb agreement, and there are certain questions where you have to do tick marks or the MCQs. You have to do the tick marks and the correct one options are given there, and the options are given within that particular sentence, and two options are given there in the bracket. You have to select any one option that is suitable and appropriate there. So I'm going to share the screen in front of you people so that you can see the test and you can see the questions, and then you have to write down the answers of that particular question by giving the numbers, and even you can just go for the tick mark of that particular answers of that particular question there as well. I will explain each and everything further. So this is the test, online test that is related to the subject verb agreement. There are 23 questions. You have to solve these 23 questions. What you are supposed to do here, 23 sentences are given there. In the bracket, options are given there. You have to write down the correct one option that is according to the nature of that particular sentence. But try to remember the rules and regulation, where to use and how to use subject verb agreement and in which condition to use a subject verb agreement. Then you have to solve this exercise. So the number one question or the sentence, that is Annie and her brothers, in the bracket two options are given there. Now you have to select the correct one option from this bracket, or the two options that are given in this bracket. Is or are. Is comma are. Which one is the correct option? Either is or are. You have to select the correct one option here, or you can go for the tick mark of that particular option here. You can write down the just correct one option here in the number one sentence. It is school. So write down the answer of this question in your registers. You have to submit the answers of this exercise on your LMS website as well in the 15th week. Number one sentence is Annie and her brothers are at school. Hurry up, write down the answer. Either the correct one verb is or are. You have to select any one option from these two given options. I'm waiting so that you can write down the answer. We have discussed all of these rules previously in the last class. That whenever there are two things are discussed within the subject, then which type of the verb we use at that time. So you can recall the previous rules and regulations of the subject verb agreement, and you have to solve this question or this sentence. Second one sentence is either my mother or my father is are coming to the meeting. The usage of the either and neither. We discussed the usages of the either and neither in the rules and regulations of the subject verb agreement. Now you have to see that which verb we have to use. Either my mother or my father is are coming to the meeting. Write down the answer. Options are given in the brackets. You have to select any option from these two given option in the brackets. Third one sentence. The dog or the cats is are outside. The dog or the cats is are outside. Fourth one question. Either my shoes or your coat is are always on the floor. Fifth one question or the sentence. George and Tamara don't want to see that movie. This sentence is from the usage of the present simple tense. May you remember the rules that if we have two names in the subject, then what type of the verb do we use there? Don't or doesn't, or do or does. So you can go for the rules and regulation of the usage of the present simple. Where do we use these two helping verbs there? Again, the next sentence, that is the sixth one sentence, that is also related with the usages of the present simple tense. Banito, that is a singular name of the any person, doesn't or don't know the answer. Maybe you remember that when we have the plural names, more than one noun, at that time which helping verb or the auxiliary verb do we use in the present simple, while when we have the singular name, at that time which type of the verb do we use, either does or don't. Then we have the seventh one sentence, that is one of my sisters is are going on a trip to France. Whatever the sentences are there, all of these rules we have discussed previously. One of my sisters is are going on a trip to France. Seventh one sentence. Now the eighth one sentence is the man with all the birds lives on my street. The man with all the birds lives on my street. Ninth one sentence. The movie including all the previews that are takes about 2 hours to watch. Ninth number sentence. The players as well as captain wants to win. 11th one sentence. Either answer is or acceptable. Start number sentence. Every one of those books is art fiction. 13th number sentence. Nobody know or knows the trouble I have seen. Yes. 15th one sentence. Mathematics is our Johan's favorite subject, while civics is our Andrea's favorite subject. 16th sentence. $8 is the price of a movie these days. 17th sentence. Is are the tweezers in this drawer? 18th sentence. Your pants is are at the cleaners. 19th sentence. There were 15 candies in that bag. Now there is only one left. 20th sentence. The committee debates or debate these questions carefully. 21 sentence. The committee members leads, lead very different lives in private. 2nd last sentence. The Prime Minister, together with his wife, greet the press cordially. 23rd number sentence, that is the last sentence. All of the CDs, even the scratched one, is are in this case. You have 2 to 3 minutes to again check your answers. You can see this screen in front of you so that you can check your answers correctly. You can go at the back and see your answers, either you have written correctly or not. You can give second look to your answers that you have written. You can see from the very start. Hopefully you have written the answers. You have to submit all of your answers on the LMS website in the 15th week as an assignment. I will enable this week, and I will keep this exercise there as well. Again, you can see from there as well in the question or in the section of the assignment. Then you have to write down the correct one answers. Please do not do copy paste from the internet. And then you have to submit on the LMS website. I will check it, and I will also uh, upload the answer key of this test as well on your LMS website. Not today, tomorrow I will keep the answer. Today you have to submit your answers, whatever you have written in your answers for solving in this exercise or this test.